Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel SKV Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to free up Windows storage space via deleting temporary files in Windows 11. If your PC hard disk is filled with unnecessary files, it could slow down your PC, so cleaning it out can give you a speed boost. But you need to delete obsolete temporary files, old Windows Update, old recycle bin files and old junk files you no longer need. That is what we are going to do, so watch the video and subscribe to the channel. Okay, let's start. To do that, open the Windows settings by pressing Windows logo key plus I. In the settings page, click on System and then in the left pane select Storage and then go to right pane. In the storage management area, turn on storage sense toggle switch like this. Turn it on. When you do this, Windows constantly monitors your PC and deletes automatically old junk files and temporary files you no longer need. Turn it on. Then select the temporary files from the cleaning recommendation. If you don't see temporary files listed, click on Show More Categories. Then select the temporary files. Now Windows will take a few moments to determine what type of files and applications are taking up the most space in your PC. After a while, you will see a list of files and applications that are taking up the most space in your PC. Then select the checkbox next to the type of files you want to delete. Temporary files, Windows Update Cleanup, temporary internet files and thumbnail are selected by default, but recycle bin folder and some other settings are not selected by default. So select the option to permanently delete old Windows Update and select all including recycle bin and downloads folder if not any important files. Be sure to clear those checkboxes if you don't want to delete those files. Read a description of each type of files and select the checkbox. Okay, once done, the top right side displays how much space is freed on the hard disk by deleting the selected files in the line. Then click on the Remove Files button. Click on it. Now Windows will take a few minutes for cleaning process. Wait for a while. Once complete the cleaning process, restart your PC. If you don't have a restore point, create a new restore point. Previously we published a video about creating a restore point. You have video link in the description box below. Okay, that's all. I hope this video helps you. Thanks for watching and supporting. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Your contribution is more confidence to us. If you have any issues, so please let me know in the comment section below. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more useful videos. Once again, thanks for watching and supporting. See you in next video. Bye. Take care.